Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a triple Louis Vuitton unboxing. I did go to the store and I grabbed a couple items. I actually wasn't going to the store to get any of these items, but I ended up liking some of these, so I ended up getting them. Another thing, one of them is a gift. I'll show you guys right now. And also, I've been more active on TikTok, so if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I will leave the link below, and you guys can see more of when I go shopping and stuff like that. So the first one I'm going to take out is this one. This one is actually a gift. So I'm not going to open it, but I have unboxed this before. So I'm going to put the link below and then kind of insert a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. Now, what I'm so excited for is this. I wasn't expecting to get this and I ended up getting it. So let me show you guys. I've been kind of wanting to get it, but I wasn't sure and I ended up getting it. So let me show you guys what it is. So obviously it's something small, as you guys can see. Let me show you. You guys ready? Okay. So it's a key pouch in the damier. They didn't have it available in the other monogram. It's just really cute. It says LV, zipper, and it has the thing for your keys. So some people put their keys inside, if you guys can see. And it's just red, and you can put your keys right here. I don't even know, he showed me how to open it. Okay, anyways, you put your key here, and I think he said it holds up to 6 cards in here. So we'll see how many cards it holds, as you guys can see. And this one's made in France. And remember, all the items now don't have they're all chipped, so they don't longer have a date code. So that's one, which is really cute. I know this is a hard to find item, so since I saw it at the store, I was like, I have to get it. And then this was a very unexpected item, so I don't know if you guys can guess. If you guys have seen my TikTok, I did make a TikTok trying it on. So if you guys saw my TikTok and saw me at the store trying it on, then you'll probably guess what it is. Or maybe not, but I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. So I did try it on. I did get it in a bigger size, but I'm probably, well, I'll see how it fits. But anyways, let me just show you guys. Are you guys ready? Maybe you can see. Let me take it out of the dust bag. So it does come in a big dust bag. So I have seen a couple of these before, and I was so excited when I saw it in person. Look at how beautiful. It's a hat. It's in monogram, and then it's like this, and look at the inside. It's so cute. It's like a very light pink. Look, and it's made in Paris. You guys can see the inside is very, very cute. And then the pink monogram, and it does have this cute little thing, and then it has the buttons in the back, so it adjusts. It has 3 different little things to adjust, and it comes in 2 sizes, I believe, and medium and large of what I saw. And there it is. It's very cute. I know that it comes in different colors, but I decided in a pink. I really like pink, so I thought it would be a perfect color. So I got that and this, and I will insert what that is below so you guys can see. But this is the little miniature, well, I'll just tell you guys, this is a little miniature set, but it's a gift, so I'm just gonna leave it there. But yeah, I ended up getting these for myself. I was trying to go get it for a bag, but they didn't have it in stock, so I ended up getting this hat, which is super cute, as you guys can see, and this. So those are the 2 add-ons for my collection for the month of March. So let's see what I end up adding next. I haven't made videos recently, but I have done a lot of other different unboxings before. So if you guys want to subscribe, share, and like, and I will see you guys next time.